everybody. So we just got Russell repaired. He's back off the IR list. He's got a little splint on here, so we should not have any issues with the heating. And the cables did show up from Cable Mods. Unfortunately, our cable combs did not show up yet, so we're getting those, and they'll be here next week, and we'll get that resolved. But the football leather is on here. As you can see, we got a nice little spin going on here, and here we got the Fear This Washington edition with the football fabric on here. Then we got the green and blue thumb screws, as you can see. And then we also, as you can see, use the thumb screws to do the thumb screws for the back plates. And as you can see, we got a nice green and blue cable management going on here. We're gonna see if the cable combs will help with this, but because power supply power cable is split in two, it does make it a little more challenging to get the cable to shape properly. So we'll see what happens. We're gonna try some smaller cable combs to see if we can make it work that way.
But they're blue and green, baby.
They are blue and green, and then we got the neon green to match the sleeving for the water cooler for the SATA cables, as you can see. And next week we should be seeing the back plates for the video card and SSD. Stay tuned for more.